Hello, my name is Brad, and I want to thank you for taking the time to watch this video and give me the opportunity to send this video to you. The information I'm providing here is free for you guys to use on your website that you see I have up here already. Um, you do not have to build a new website. You can use this information to implement it to what you already have here. I hope this information I'm sending to you is useful. If so, at the end of this video, I'll tell you how to contact me. Um, what I'm going to do first of all is start talking about word count. And word count is how many words that you have on your web page here. Okay. Google is looking for anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words um, per website. So, with that in mind, what I'm going to do is copy and paste your URL here, and I'm going to put it into a tool called Word Count. This is a free tool that you guys can get off of the internet. There's several of them out there, but this is the one I'm using. And what I did, just copied and pasted here. It tells me you have 473 words on your web page. Okay. Now, like I mentioned, Google's looking for anywhere from 1,500 to 2,000 words. I'm going to go over here to your competition, which is Helpin'. I'm sure you're familiar with them. You probably crossed their paths, maybe even worked next door to them at times. As you can see, they've got a website up here as well. I want to see here. I don't see anything, but oh yeah, right here. So they have a place on here where you can join the team. So if you're looking to hire people, you guys can also hire people from your website. And again, you can do that yourself, or if you want, I can help you do that as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go again right through and copy and paste theirs and see how many words they have on their web page. And they have 899. So again, they're not up to the 1,500 to 2,000 words that Google's looking for you. So you could easily outrank these guys over here. And this is how I found who your competition was. I just used a simple search bar. I'm guessing you probably use one of these at least once a week to look for food or restaurants or pizza, whatever it might be. Um, what you do is you just type in a keyword. So if you're looking for pizza, you would type in pizza. But you guys are plumbers, so I put in plumbing in this area. And what that did is it brought up this area down here called Map It. This is the second spot that most people are going to click on when they're looking for what it is they're looking for. So you would check on their website. However, down here, this is referred to as the organic area. Okay. This is the number one spot that people are going to click is in this organic area down through here. So when they're looking for plumber, well, you guys are right here. So you guys are doing good. You must have some good organic words out there. So you're on the first page. That is awesome. Um, let's see, helping. Let's see if we can find them any place. So again, this is excellent. You guys are right there. Um, I'll go to the second page to see if I can find helping. I'm not seeing them right off here. So no, I'm not even seeing them on the second page. So you're going to have a pretty good, easy time. Oh, here they are. They are on the second page. Okay. About halfway down. So again, I'm going to go back to the first page. And again, by adding more words to your web page and adding good keywords to your web page, you can easily come from this spot right here up into this spot. And then there's something else called backlinks. And that's where this part comes into here with Mappets. With good backlinks, you could be very easily ranked right up in this spot. Next, I'm going to go to a tool over here called Ahrefs. Okay. Ahrefs is not a free tool like this word count. Ahrefs cost me about $200 per month. Okay. So you have 36 organic words, which is bringing you guys a value per month off your webpage of about $166. And again, these are estimated values of monthly organic searches from your webpage. I'm going to just click on this quick just to check out a few of your organic words. We'll get there sooner or later. There we go. So, Gardner Plumbing is bringing you this type of volume in, with plumbing being the key word here. Gardner people must know you, and that's why that's bringing in some good volume for you. Commercial plumbing, Cincinnati plumbers, plumbers in Cincinnati, 500 plumbers in Cincinnati. But you can see how you just change things around a little bit by using ing or putting Cincinnati first, wherever. It changes the volume of how people search them looking for you guys, or a plumber, for example. Down here, it looks like you have lost a few. So it looks like you need somebody to keep up with your web page to keep these working for you. Right now, they're not doing anything for you. They're done. So by adding more words to your website, you can easily add more organic words to your website as well. Again, things like plumbers, hot water heaters, uh, draining, and all these words down here. A lot of these are good pipe repair. Okay. So you can add more of these by adding more words throughout your website. I'm going to go over here to your competition. So they have 46 organic words. That's bringing them in about $1,000 per month. Okay. So you guys are doing good, but you can actually bring a lot more volume, a lot more money into your business. I'm going to go back over here, talk about backlinks. Backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable hyperlink text. I know that sounds pretty technical, but basically all it is a popularity contest. Um, Whoever has the most and the better, if that's a word, backlinks is how you get ranked up here and win the competition. Another way of saying it is it's kind of like that guy in high school that got the new Air Jordans first. You know, the first day he got in there in the morning, somebody saw him and said, "Oh wow, Johnny got the new pair of Air Jordans." Okay, so by putting with the Air Jordans, by the end of the week, everybody knew Johnny was the first person to have the new Air Jordans, and he became very popular by the end of the week. And again, that's how you guys get right up here, by people referring back to your company. Okay. And down here, remember the organic area. And again, you guys are doing pretty good here, but you can improve on this to get better. Um, I'm going to just check out just a few. So you guys only have 46 backlinks. Let's see what these guys have. They have 560 backlinks. Okay. So again, these are companies that are referring back to them. And I'm going to just click on yours just to see who is. So you got the best 30, Gardner Plumbing, Gardner, Cincinnati. Okay. So these are all endorsements, so to speak, for your web page. I am going to close out with that. So again, you have a few opportunities here where you can add more words to your website, add more keywords to your website, and again, like I said, add more revenue to your website. All right. Um, Again, they're getting about 1,000. You guys are 166. So you could definitely bring a lot more income into your business by doing these things for yourself. Again, if you find this information useful, you can contact me at 608-574-2784, or you can reply to an email I'm going to be sending to you and contact me that way as well. Again, this information is free. You can do with it as you will. Um, to build on your website, or like I said, you can contact me with more help, even if it's just hiring more people into your business. I thank you for your time, and you guys have yourself a great day. Thank you very much.